Right now, people are watching your videos and leaving. No emails, no leads, nothing. But watch this. The video plays, a form appears, they enter their email, and the content unlocks. That's the difference between a passive video and a lead generation system. Now imagine every video on your site doing this automatically, capturing emails, unlocking content, and pushing leads straight into your CRM without any extra steps. This tutorial is all about turning your video as a lead generation tool inside WordPress. But here's the problem. Your default WordPress video player doesn't do any of this. It just plays video. That's it. So while your content might be getting views, you're not collecting anything from those viewers. To fix this, you need a smarter video playing system. This is exactly why I'm using fluentplayer. It's lightweight, built specifically for WordPress, and designed not just to display videos, but to convert viewers into leads. Let me show you exactly how to set this up. fluentplayer allows you to add videos from multiple sources. For now, I'll just upload the premium course material I want to embed on my website. Instantly, you get full control over how your video looks and behaves. You can add your own branding, adjust the aspect ratio, and apply presets to keep everything consistent across your content. Our goal is to turn this into a lead generation tool. So let's go to interactive layers. Click on Add Layer, and right away, you will see multiple options to choose. Each one does something different, but the goal is the same. Turn your video from passive content into something that actually drives results. For this example, I'll go with email capture. Now, just set the time when you want the form to appear, and click on Add Provider. And this is the connection between your video and CRM. I'll use Fluent CRM here to manage everything automatically inside WordPress. To simplify your email marketing, you can check the description to learn more about Fluent CRM. Let's select the list and tag so your leads go exactly where you want in your CRM. In case you have multiple providers, you can activate or deactivate them as well. Click Add, and the CTA is live. From this point on, whenever someone submits their email, their data is stored in your CRM, and the video unlocks right away. Next up is the content. This is exactly what your audience sees the moment your CTA pops up. You can replace the email placeholder with something like xyz@gmail.com, so there is zero confusion on the format. Change the headline if you want. Make the button text more catchy with "Unlock the full content." You've also got the flexibility to add bottom text or use smart chart codes. Try to keep it simple, clear, and direct. That's what converts best. The control lets you ensure that viewers can either skip the content or not. If you enable skipping, people can just bypass the form. So I'll keep it disabled, so they have to enter their email to continue. Now, let's quickly optimize this a bit. The button color allows you to change both background and text colors. Let's go with a slightly darker background so the text stands out more. That already looks much better. And if you want to take it further, you can even change the overlay background to dim or completely hide the video when the form appears, so the focus stays on the action. Besides, you can tweak the border radius as well, so it looks smoother instead of those sharp edges. With all that, the condition allows you to personalize the experience based on who's watching. If a viewer is already a CRM contact, that entry layer simply stays hidden. Set one rule or stack multiple conditions to ensure your video is working harder and smarter without you lifting a finger. Alright, let's do a quick final check. Everything looks solid. One more click on Add Layer, and done! Just like this, you can stack multiple layers anytime if your content needs it. But for now, this single layer is enough, and it's time to publish it. If we get back to the dashboard, you can see it's ready to embed. A tap on the shortcode, and instantly it's copied to the clipboard. Now, let me quickly open a page, paste the code, and make it available so we can use it as a lead generation tool. From here, when someone watches the video, it plays normally. Then, at the set time, The form pops up and they need to enter their email to continue. Once they submit it, the video unlocks instantly. At the same time, if you check the CRM, you'll see the contact synced automatically. So instead of a passive video that just plays, now you have a system that captures leads every single time someone watches it. And that's how you can use videos as lead generation tools inside WordPress. This isn't limited to just one setup. You can log course content, turn videos into lead magnets, use it in product demos, or even convert tutorials into email capture assets. Any video can become a lead generation asset once you set it up this way. With FluentPlayer, you're not just embedding videos, you're turning them into conversion tools. If you want to try this setup, check the link in the description and get started with FluentPlayer. Set it up on your next video, you'll see a difference immediately. And don't forget to subscribe to WP Manage Ninja for more WordPress growth strategies like this. I'll see you in the next one.